Which robot vacuum and mop combo is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, Roborock Q10 S5 Plus. Let's kick things off with the Roborock Q10 S5 Plus. Priced at $329.99, this robot vacuum caught my attention with its self-emptying feature and impressive 10,000 PA suction power. If you want hands-free cleaning without the hassle, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this product solves your problem. For busy households, this means you can go weeks without worrying about emptying the vacuum. Plus, the 10,000 PA suction lifts embedded pet hair and debris from any surface, making it a game-changer for pet owners. With its advanced obstacle avoidance and intelligent navigation using LiDAR, you can trust it to clean even in cluttered spaces. This model also features a Vibra Rise mopping system that scrubs surfaces up to 3,000 times per minute for that spotless finish. It's rated 4 stars with over 10,200 reviews, and it's a bestseller for a reason. Now, some people complained about the learning curve for the app and initial setup. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, the convenience you gain from this vacuum is hard to beat. If you're looking for a solid investment that saves you time and effort, this vacuum is definitely worth it. This is perfect for you if you have pets or a busy home that needs regular cleaning. Skip this one if you're looking for something ultra-budget friendly, but for what you get, it's a solid value. Now, if the Roborock Q10's price tag bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, ROPVACNIC Robot Vacuum. Next up is the ROPVACNIC Robot Vacuum Cleaner, coming in at just $89.97. This budget-friendly option surprised me with its 5,200 PA suction and handy mopping feature. If you want a solid vacuum without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. Why does this matter for you? With a 5,200 PA suction, it's not the strongest on the list, but it effectively pulls up dirt and pet hair from various surfaces. It's equipped with a smart self-recharge feature, meaning it can return to its dock when the battery runs low, perfect for those who want a hands-free experience. Plus, the advanced obstacle avoidance means fewer bumps and more efficient cleaning. It has a 4.5-star rating with over 661 reviews, making it a popular choice. Now, some users mentioned that the suction could be stronger on heavier debris. But honestly, for the price, it still offers great value for light daily cleaning, especially in homes without a ton of mess. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable robot vacuum that gets the job done without frills. Skip this one if you need high-end features or heavy-duty cleaning, but for its price point, it's a great deal. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for deep cleaning needs. Product number 3, Eufy Robot Vacuum E25. Now let's talk about the Eufy Robot Vacuum E25, priced higher at $679.99 but packed with features. This one really caught my eye with its powerful 20,000 PA suction and Hydrojet Always Clean roller mop. If you want a premium clean, this is worth a serious look. That means every pass is spotless, removing tough stains and ensuring hygiene in your home. With a powerful suction of 20,000 PA, it digs deep into carpet fibers, effortlessly pulling out dirt and pet hair. It also has a self-emptying feature that can last about 75 days, making it ideal for large homes. Smart navigation maps your home and optimizes cleaning paths, ensuring thorough coverage. Now, some users reported issues with the app connectivity at times. But honestly, once it's set up, the cleaning performance really shines, making it a worthwhile investment for those who prioritize cleanliness. This is perfect for you if you're serious about home hygiene and want a no-fuss cleaning experience. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget, but for those who value quality, it's worth every penny. Now, if you're looking for something even smarter and hands-free, the next product might just blow you away. Product number 4, Zybro Robot Vacuum. Next is the Zybro Robot Vacuum, priced at $99.99. At first glance, I didn't expect much from a vacuum at this price, but it genuinely surprised me with its 6,500 PA suction and smart navigation. If you want a cost-effective solution that still performs well, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you. The 6500 PA suction can tackle pet hair and dirt across various floor types, and its 4 adjustable suction modes mean you can customize it to your cleaning needs. The upgraded gyroscope navigation ensures it moves methodically, covering more area than random models. Plus, with a 200-minute runtime, you can clean larger spaces without needing constant recharges. It also has a voice command feature, making it super easy to control. With a 4.3-star rating and over 1,600 reviews, it's definitely popular among budget shoppers. Now, some people complained about the build quality feeling a bit cheap. But here's the thing, for the price you pay, the performance is surprisingly solid, and it can handle day-to-day cleaning without issues. This is perfect for you if you want an effective vacuum that won't break the bank. Skip this one if you need a premium product with all the bells and whistles, but for its price, it's a great option. Alright, that was an interesting choice. But if you want the ultimate in convenience, wait until you hear about our last product. Product number 5, UFi X10 Pro Omni. Finally, let's look at the UFi X10 Pro Omni, priced at $479.99. This vacuum blew me away with its self-cleaning features and powerful 8,000 PA suction. If you want hands-free cleaning without the fuss, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you. The X10 Pro Omni features a self-cleaning station that keeps the mop pads fresh and ready. The 2.5L dust bag only needs replacing every 2 months, which is perfect for anyone who hates the hassle of constant maintenance. With its AI navigation, it avoids obstacles seamlessly, ensuring it cleans without interruptions. It's designed to efficiently cover large areas, making it ideal for bigger homes. It's rated 4.1 stars with 3,500 reviews, proving it's a trusted option. Some reviews noted that it can get stuck on certain furniture edges. But honestly, for its automation and ease of use, this is a trade-off many can live with, especially if you want a cleaner that does most of the work for you. This is perfect for you if you want a nearly hands-off cleaning experience and don't mind investing a bit more. Skip this one if you prefer a more budget-friendly option, but if you want a truly smart vacuum, it's worth considering. So there you have it. Each of these robot vacuum and mop combos brings something unique to the table, from budget-friendly options to high-end features. Whether you need something affordable like the ROPVACNIC or the all-in-one convenience of the UFi X10 Pro Omni, there's a perfect fit for every home. Happy cleaning!